The Constitution of India protects the life and liberty of every person, including a person who has been arrested. An arrest does not mean that a person loses all of his or her rights. The Constitution and criminal laws ensure that arrested persons are treated fairly, with dignity, and according to law. These protections prevent misuse of police powers and help ensure a fair justice system. Constitutional protections. 1. Protection against ex post facto laws. Article 21. A person cannot be punished for an act that was not a crime when it was committed. Also, a heavier punishment cannot be given if the law was changed after the offense took place. Simple example: if a law passed in 2026 makes a certain act a crime, a person who did the same act in 2025 cannot be punished under the new law. 2. Protection against double jeopardy. Article 22. No person can be punished twice for the same offense after being convicted or acquitted. Simple example: if a court has already decided a theft case and the accused has been punished, the same person cannot be tried again for the same theft. 3. Protection against self-incrimination. Article 23. No accused person can be forced to give evidence against himself or herself. The police cannot force a confession through pressure, threats, or torture. Simple example: a person has the right to remain silent if answering questions would amount to admitting guilt. 4. Right to life and personal liberty. Article 21. No person can be deprived of life or personal liberty except according to the procedure established by law. This means the police must follow legal procedures during arrest and investigation. 5. Right to be informed of the grounds of arrest. Article 22(1). An arrested person has the right to know why he or she has been arrested. The police must clearly inform the person of the reason for arrest. 6. Right to consult and be defended by a lawyer. Article 22(1). Every arrested person has the right to meet and consult a lawyer of his or her choice. If the person cannot afford a lawyer, legal aid may be provided. 7. Right to be produced before a magistrate within 24 hours. Article 22(2). The police must produce the arrested person before the nearest magistrate within 24 hours of arrest, excluding travel time. A person cannot be kept in police custody for a longer period without the magistrate's permission. 8. Protection against illegal detention. No person can be kept in custody without legal authority. If someone is detained illegally, the courts can order his or her release through the writ of habeas corpus. Case study: D.K. Basuvi, State of West Bengal, 1997. Facts of the case. Many complaints were received about people being tortured or dying while in police custody. To prevent such incidents, the Supreme Court examined the issue and laid down important rules for arrests. Judgment. The Supreme Court issued several guidelines, including: police officers must clearly identify themselves. An arrest memo must be prepared at the time of arrest. A family member or friend of the arrested person must be informed. The arrested person has the right to meet a lawyer during interrogation. Medical examination of the arrested person should be conducted regularly. Proper records of the arrest must be maintained. Simple explanation: suppose the police arrest Rahul. They cannot secretly keep him in custody. They must tell him why he is being arrested, inform his family, prepare official documents, allow him to contact a lawyer, and produce him before a magistrate within 24 hours. These rules protect people from torture and illegal detention. Conclusion: the Constitution of India provides strong protection to every arrested person through Articles 20, 21, and 22. These rights ensure fairness, prevent misuse of police powers, and protect human dignity.